Hello and welcome back to the DJI T100 learning course. So now you got your hands on a drone. It's actually time to activate it. So I will say this isn't exactly a T100, but it is very, very similar. This is the Flycart 100. It's basically a T100 airframe that comes preloaded with the lift kit. Trust me, almost all DJI drones are the same to activate, so it's going to be the same regardless. I'll just show you, I'll take you step by step on how to activate it. Should be pretty simple, so let's go. I'll be showing you the screen because I can't screen record right now, so let's start. So you want to choose English as your network, and then you agree to the terms of use, and then you choose a Wi-Fi network. I'll go ahead and put the password in now. Okay, so we've gotten connected to the TerraXplore Wi-Fi. Now we can just hit next. And for our time zone, we can just hit Central Time. Here in Iowa, we are Central Time.
There we go.
We hit next, confirm, and then now you have to log into your DJI Smart Farm account, which we will do now. So we've logged in. Next is going to ask you to set up a password for your remote controller. This isn't required, so we're just going to hit not now. And then you can hit yes. Here we are. We're back on the drone. Let's get started. Go ahead and hit next. You can join the product improvement team. You can not do it. And then here we go. Now we're actually going to power up the aircraft. So to update the firmware. So as you can see on the controller video, it now says that we are activated and we can activate the aircraft. So we can just hit not now, activate that aircraft. So checking activation status, loading it, and then we're just going to go through a few more steps. Scroll to the bottom of the terms of service, hit agree. Scroll to the bottom of the privacy service and hit agree. Then say yes. Name your aircraft. We're going to call it TerraXplore FC100. That's all done, and hit done. And yeah, we can restart it. So the aircraft is going to restart itself a couple of times, update the firmware a couple of times, and by the end, it's going to be all done. It's going to, like right now, it just turned itself on. It's going to turn itself back on. Yeah, pretty simple process. There we go. So now we're doing more on the drone controller side of it. We're going to go back to the DJI delivery on your T100. This is going to be DJI Agris, but again, it's mostly the same. And here we go. Now we can update some module versions. So we're going to update the software here. There's going to be a lot of parts of the drone that are going to be updating as you go through this, just catching up with the newest models. So we're going to fast forward through this bit. All right, here we go. So you want to restart the aircraft. The aircraft's going to just turn itself on and off again over and over again until it's basically done with the firmware updates. So right now it's connected. We can go to device management and just look. Looks like the versions on the controller and on the aircraft look pretty good. Firmware update. They don't need to be updated. Great. Let's hit begin here. So right now it's just the RTK orientation and the payload board that's disconnected, but the drone has been activated. As you can see, you can mess with all the settings. So here, instead of spray, it has lift and RTK positioning and battery view and display, just like you would see with the regular, just like you will see in the future videos for the regular T100. So yeah, the drone has been activated. It's working, and you can see here the camera is working. That's our warehouse. So yeah, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.